wallet on a chain bag collection. Wallet slash bag. Wallet siya na pwede mo rin siyang gamitin crossbody bag. So, isa-isahin natin sila guys kung ano yung mga meron ako. So, unahin natin to. This is from the brand Vera Bradley. Ito yung front niya. Yung back. Tsaka yung strap. Yung strap niya, sobrang adjustable siya. Look, it's pwede siyang maiksi na ganyan. Pero pwede mo pa siyang pahabain at gawin siyang crossbody bag. Yan. Mahaba siya. Pwede mo siyang gawin crossbody. And as I said, wallet siya. Natatanggal yung strap niya. Kaya pag may dala kang malaking bag o meron kang malaking bag, so pwede mo siyang gamitin as a wallet. Yan. Yung front niya, may zipper. Ang dami kong resibo. Yung front niya, guys, is like a magnetic clock. Dito ko nilalagay sometimes receipt or I can also use this to put my cell phone here. So that's our front pocket. And we have zipper in the center na ang dami niyang kung ano, ang tawag dito? Slot for card. So, dito, this side, meron siyang 4 na apat na card holder and the same in the other side. And meron pa siyang, pwede mo pa siyang lagyan ng ano dito, ng money, paper bills. Yung ano niya, yung compartment niya dito, hanggang dito lang oh. Hindi siya talagang, dili siya nilaho sa ilawom. Dili lang siya, halfway lang siya. So yan, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng paper bills or receipt or anything that you wanna put like na papel. And meron din siyang dito, sa top, ayan, meron din siyang dalawang ano dito, compartment na malagyan ng kung ano-ano. Sa kabila, ganun din. Dalawa din dito sa kabila na pwede din malagyan ng pera or mga resibo. Diba? Ang daming pwedeng malagay. So, and the back zipper naman, ay ganito siya. Ooh, what's this? I got my coupon for the eye drop. Ang malaking ano dito, bulsa, na meron dalawang pwedeng maglagyan ng dalawang credit cards. Then, pwede mo rin malagyan yung cellphone mo dito. And may zipper, ano siya? Zipper, ano ba tawag dito? Meron siyang zipper pocket. Bulsa ba to? Hindi naman. Yan, another compartment. And here, pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng dalawa pang credit card and another compartment. And I still got a lot more receipt, bank receipt. Yan. Ang daming pwedeng malagay. So, if you're a person na sobrang dami mong card, kung ano-anong card na meron ka, this one is really good. Because ang dami niyang ma-hold na card, ang dami niyang compartment sa mga para sa paper money or receipt or mga kung ano-ano pa, mga coupon like this. Pwede mo siyang ilagay sa malaking bag and you can use it also as a crossbody bag. Super bright na orange ba or may pagka red orange. And this is from the brand Simply Vera. Ganun din siya. I also consider this as a wallet and also a crossbody kasi yung strap niya natatanggal din. Yan, pwede mo rin tanggalin yung strap niya. Kung ano yung sura niya sa loob. Ayan. A big compartment for your cell phone. One here in the front and one in the back. Meron din siyang mga card slot like 1, 2, 3, 6 slot for credit card. And then meron sa gitna, meron siyang zipper compartment. Yan, pwede mo rin lagyan ng ano dito, pwede mo lagyan ng resibo or your cellphone kasi kasya yung cellphone nyo dito, either this area or this area. And sa gitna, meron pa din siyang zipper pocket. So, yeah. Meron kang malaking bag. You can use it as a wallet as well. And use it as a crossbody. Ganun din, from Simple Vera. Ganun din siya. Medyo magkaiba lang yung material nila, but they're the same size and the same style. So, hindi ko napapakita kung ano yung sa loob niya. Ito lang, magkaiba yung color niya, tsaka a little bit different in the material, and I actually love this one better. The color, the material of this one, actually I love it better. And yun nga, ganun din siya. The same. Ito, nagamit ko na yung isa. Yung kanina, hindi ko pa nagamit. This one naman is from Dana Bokman. Yan. It's a crossbody. And also, you can also use this as a wallet kasi natatanggal din yung strap niya. I think this is one of my oldest wallet on a chain bag. Yung isa sa pinakaluma na wallet na / crossbody bag na meron ako from the brand Dana Bokman. Long time ago, Kohl's still selling this brand, pero ngayon wala na sila sa Kohl's for like maybe more than 10 years. This is probably with me for more than 15 years now. Yung ano niya, yung lock niya. Yan. And in the front, meron siyang malaking compartment dito na yan, pwede ko ring ilagay yung cellphone ko dito. Yan. And then here, another compartment para sa mga resibo, and then card slot here, and another big compartment here, and a zipper pocket. And meron ding malaking compartment dito, and more card slot. Yan, and another compartment for paper bills. So yeah, this is really nice. It's one of my favorite as well. I take this with me when I go to church sometimes. And sometimes I take it with me when I go to church. Ang dami ko kasing bag, guys, kaya yung iba nakalimutan ko nang gamitin. Wallet on a chain from Dana Bokman. On a chain from the brand Simple Vera. Ito, mayroon pa, hindi ko pa din nagamit to. Mayroon pang tag. So, ganun din siya, guys. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin as a wallet and crossbody. Yan, natatanggal din yung strap niya. Yan, ito, mas madali itong tanggalin. Yan. Yeah, ganun din yung style. Yung sa una. But yung ano niya, yung style dito, magkaiba lang sila. Yan. Almost the same color. Green, at saka may pagka-green na blue. Yan, ganun din. Yan. Tatlo sila from Simple Vera. Na pwede mong gamitin as a wallet, and pwede mo rin siyang gamitin as a crossbodies. Ito naman is from Coach. Yan. Sobrang maliit na wallet na ginagamit ko siya mostly as a crossbody bag. Yan. Pwede mo rin siyang tanggalin yung strap niya or yung gold hardware na strap. Oops, iba yata iba yung natanggal ko, guys. So, yeah, pwede siyang tanggalin yung ano. Yan. Yan, pwede mo siyang gawing wallet, lagay mo sa maliit na bag. Ganyan ito. Let's try na, pwede natin siyang ilagay sa bag na to. Yan, kasyang-kasya. And this is from the brand Coach. I think I got this for $70. Napakaliit, $70, guys. Yan. Yan. Walang magkasya dito kundi maliit na lipstick, maliit na perfume, at saka maliit na mga kung anong eye drop. Meron siyang dalawang slot for card. So I only have one credit card these days. When I take this with me, credit card and my driver's license. And then lipstick, perfume, 2 of this. Ang isa hindi ko pa nagamit. So you guys, if you wanna buy it, yan, I have 2 exactly the same. Ayan. Dalawa sila, pareho. If you hadn't seen my previous vlog, kaya sila dalawa. Ito, binili ko myself. And then, later on, after I bought this, my husband got me one. Kasi hiningi ko siya during an anniversary, during one of our anniversary. Pinakita ko sa kanya online sa Coach Outlet. Sabi ko, if you gonna give me a gift, I want this one, a wallet on a chain. Pinakita ko sa kanya. But because he knows that I have a lot of bags, and I also know him that he's not the kind of person na bibilhan ako ng bag kasi ang dami ko ng bag. So, I'm an impulsive buyer. So, after a few days, hindi ako nakatiis. I ordered it online. And later on, it came also. Kasi binili niya rin pala. Oh my God. So, yun, dalawa. So, I don't know. Siguro pag ano na to, ma-worn out na to, baka gagamit. I really love this, guys. I really love it. This wallet and a chain na sobrang liit. Gustong-gusto ko talaga sila. Last one is this one. From Kate Spade, New York. Ginamit ko to recently, kaya yan ang laman niya. I did actually made a video what's in my bag when I took it with me a couple days ago. So, yeah, it's also wallet on a chain kasi nga din, pwede mo rin tanggalin yung strap niya. Yan, pwede mo siyang tanggalin. But hindi natin siya gagawin. Paborito ko, itong dalawang to talaga, sobrang paborito ko kasi makita niyo naman, gold hardware. Sobrang maganda sila gamitin pag you wear a dress. So, yeah. Yan. Hindi ko lang sigurado kung ito ay mako-considered ko na wallet on a chain kasi yung strap niya hindi siya natatanggal. So, hindi removable yung strap niya. So, you cannot put this in a bag. So, maybe it's not really a wallet. I won't consider this wallet on a chain. But this is definitely a wallet though. It's just a wallet na may ano. So, yan. Ang ganda din ito. This is from Jessica Simpson. And I think I only got this for 500 pesos. Baka matatanggal yung strap. Hindi ko lang siguro alam pa. Pero wallet talaga siya. So, I consider this also as a wallet and a chain. Yun nga lang, you know, more of a crossbody. Kasi hindi mo naman siya pwedeng ilagay sa ibang bag to use as a wallet. But, for me, it's still a wallet and a chain. So, yan ang last one natin, guys. Ng ating wallet on a chain collection. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully to see you in my next vlog.